everybody. My name is Michael Lindsay with A+ Janitorial. Thanks for watching today. Today I'm going to demonstrate the most thorough and effective way to clean a restroom. Okay? This is my cleaning companion. It's going to do everything pretty much hands-free for me. Check this out. First thing we're going to do is turn it on. We're going to distribute this chemical all over the facility. And it's going to be virtually, with this high pressure spray, be able to get chemical and water combination into all these nooks and crannies that you would not ordinarily be able to do with a rag. And it's going to cover a wide range of area very quickly. As you can see, you can do the floor, you get really down in there and get those cracks, and we can cover everything. And when you get into the urinals, you can get way down in there, areas where you're not typically going to wipe. And we're going to cover it real quickly. I want to show you real quickly the toilet as we can, how effectively we can spray and wash this toilet. Of course, you can do this stall. Everywhere somebody's going to touch, obviously, is where you want to cover and put the disinfecting chemical on. If you can move yourself over in here, let me demonstrate how easy it is to get a toilet. You can get way up underneath in here and get up underneath this lip where it's really hard to scrub and get all the debris and germs that settle up in there and down below. You can hit all the stalls, everything somebody might have touched. Okay, the next step in this process, after this chemical is set on there for 5 minutes, it's pretty much done its job. We're going to switch over the selector switch to just rinse. Plain water, we're going to rinse everything off and get all the and do the floor. Let me show you how we extract the dirt off the floor. We're going to hook up our wet vac and extract the dirt, bring it completely up. So all germs, all the dirt are going to be eliminated. Cover the whole floor with the wet vac and get it virtually dry. We can come through now and wipe off the mirrors if we like with towels or paper towels. And then our final process is to mop it up simply with a dry mop. That pretty much takes up all the streaks or any prints and eliminates the remainder. The advantage of the wet vac is simply you're going to get a lot more of the dirt and the germs, bacteria out of the surface rather than mopping, which only really gets about 35% of all your germs picked up. You're swirling it around, but it's not really picking it up, whereas the vacuum is picking up 95%, and you can mop up the remainder. So that's pretty much it. That's how you clean a restroom, really thorough and really effective. And if you like this, you'll like all the other techniques and the system that we employ at A+ Janitorial. So if this is something that looks like something you would like to see in your building, your facility, we would love to talk to you and tailor a system that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking to you about your specific cleaning needs.